I think you did good. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That was horrible. It's the first day of school! In celebration of that, we're gonna do some Rainbocorn scavenger hunt. So Zuru sent us some more Rainbocorns. Thank you guys.
So cool. Oh,
Thank you, Zuru, so much. I love Rainbocorns so much. But
those are so cool. What color
Yeah.
do you have this time?
I have this really pretty pearly white and gold.
What do you got? What pattern do you guys think is on there? The last time you got, let's see,
I got a bunny.
you got a bunny. Jaden got like an ice cream, and Avery got a cherry.
Wait, I got a monkey that one time.
Ooh. So I can't wait to see what you got this time. But guys,
We had a big storm in.
oh, so we have to show you guys. We usually do our scavenger hunts over here, but wait! Where's the tree that used to be right there? Oh wait, in the trampoline! Oh my goodness.
When we were on vacation in Florida, this decided to come down from
A storm
tornado.
came and
It literally ripped it out of its roots.
we're thinking a tornado came, guys. I don't know. What do you guys
Literally
think?
the roots.
The roots got ripped out.
Look, there's a Rainbocorn.
Ah, there is a rainbow corn down there. What is that doing down there? That might be from the other scavenger hunt we did.
I don't know how that got there.
So it ripped it out of the ground and it fell on top of Aubrey's trampoline
and you would see.
and ripped up our trampoline and almost hit our house. So this is what we have to deal with in the scavenger hunt.
Yep.
Wah, wah,
But
wah.
there'd be really good hiding spots down there.
I don't know, you gotta be careful though. It'd be fun to kind of crawl on and play, but you gotta be careful.
Yeah, I know. There's a
Yeah, there's lots of sticks poking up. So hopefully we can get somebody out to
I can still jump
get rid
on
of this
the ice.
tree. Huh?
Yeah.
You can't jump on the trampoline, silly.
No, yes I can.
So we'll
still do it.
we'll try to do a rainbow unicorn surprise scavenger
There's
hunt.
some really good hiding spots I've already saw.
Maybe. Okay. So before it gets dark, because we can't do it in the dark because the tree is too dangerous.
And
I'm gonna hide 'em.
So pokey. Look at that. All those spikes. Think, oh yeah, it's fun because I can walk across them.
No, they're
That
pokey.
will
Here, we'll show you guys up close.
They're like sharp.
They're really sharp. I don't know why they're so sharp. It's like, here, I'll show you from the side. Can you guys see that? It's like a sharp point. So you definitely don't want to crawl on top of that, Aubrey. Okay.
I'm like a climbing child. Whoa, that's a tiny little spider carrying a dead. All scared. I think it's a gemmy spider.
All right, so you ready to open some rainbow unicorns?
Yes!
Well, you got to find them first.
Oh.
Okay, so go inside. Me and the fun fans are going to hide the rainbow unicorn surprise. Hopefully we can find a spot. I think we can. What do you guys think about this giant tree? Do you think a tornado came and ripped it up?
Dent into the ground.
What?
Tree made a dent into the ground.
I know. If you guys think a tornado came, go hashtag tornado or hashtag yes. And give a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
All right.
Anyway.
Give a thumbs up if you think the tree is cool.
Or just give a thumbs up.
Or just give a thumbs up. Okay. All right, go hide, Aubrey, and I'll come get you. Bye. Okay, fun fans. Here are the Zuru Rainbocorns sequin surprises. Collect them all. These are so cool, guys. I can't wait for you to see Aubrey open them. I'm going to hide them, and then she's going to hopefully find them, and then she's going to open them and see which one she finds. Some of them have Rainbocorn twins. She hasn't found those yet, so maybe she'll find the twins in this one. What do you guys think? Do you think she's going to find the twins? Tell me down below. Okay, let's go find a hiding spot. Okay, so I think I'm gonna hide one of these in the tree area. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's so scary over here. It's crazy. Oh, maybe in the hole. We'll hide the gold one with the silver horn. We'll hide it in here. Oh, that's kind of easy. What do you guys think? Here, we'll cover it with some sticks. There. Let's put another stick on it so she won't find it. Okay, perfect. Ha 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 ha. Do you guys think that's a good spot? Thumbs up. Okay, the next one we're gonna hide is the blue sequin one with a blue horn. So do you guys think I should hide it over here in the tree that got knocked down with the tornado, or should I hide it in this tree, or should I hide it on Aubrey's playground? What do you guys think? Tell me down below. Okay, I think I'm gonna hide it under the trampoline that's been knocked down by the tornado. We think it's a tornado, we don't know. We weren't here, we were on vacation. Okay, is that a good spot? Oh yeah, thumbs up. Aubrey, me and the fun fans have hid the rainbow unicorns. Come find them. Okay, it's such a mess on the ground, guys. There's sticks and stuff everywhere because we haven't had a chance to clean up our yard, so.
Oh goodness, it's muddy.
It is muddy. Okay, so me and the fun fans have hidden
I thought
the
that airplane
Rainbocorns.
was one of it.
Yeah.
One of them.
Can you guys see that way over there? I'll zoom in.
Rainbocorn.
Aubrey thought that was one of the Rainbocorns.
I'm like, okay, that was not hard.
Okay, so there's 2 Rainbocorns hidden somewhere in this yard.
Got it.
You have to find them.
Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Find those Rainbocorns. Wait! Wait! Oh, I was just kidding. No! Already, Aubrey?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh, that was easy. That was so easy, guys. We were looking at it from over here and you couldn't see it. That was too easy. Okay. All right, now you got to find the other one.
Yep. Nope. I'm looking at my hiding spot that I have my idea. Oh, where did you hide it? Comment down below, guys, where she's.
Don't tell her, guys. Don't
Yes,
tell her.
tell me. Let's see. Where could you have hidden it? No.
How was your first day at school?
Oh, it was a fun.
It was.
No.
If you guys want to see Aubrey's first day of school morning routine, we'll put a link to the description. We'll put a link to the video in the description. So you haven't found it.
Yeah, I
So
know.
maybe I get to open it.
No! Where is it? Where is it?
Wow, look at all these leaves and sticks.
Goodness.
I didn't hide it over here.
Or did
I'm just going to tell you now because I don't want you to get poked because you don't have shoes on.
Yeah.
But you should have shoes on. Whoa, guys, look at this crazy. Look at this. It like ripped it completely. Crazy. I know, it's so crazy. All right, do you want a hint? Should I give her a hint, fun fans?
All right, let's see. Where did she hide it?
I hit it hard, I told you.
Comment down below, guys. I'm going to keep this right here and... Don't touch my Rainbocorn!
I might.
I'm looking back over the tree because I didn't even look on top of here. You could have hit it there and it would have been there.
Okay,
forever.
I'm gonna give you a hint. It's not over in that section. That's way too dangerous for you.
Yes, it's also pokey.
Yeah, and it's not on a pokey pot. A pokey pot?
A pokey pot.
A pokey pot? A pokey spot.
Moss plus mushrooms.
Ew, what is that?
It's living in the hole though.
Whoa, that was like way up on the tree.
Yeah, I couldn't even see up there. All right, let's see.
Did you find it?
Yes! What?
I hit it so hard.
What? How did I not notice that?
I thought that one was easier than the one under the trampoline, but that's because I didn't see it from the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you guys ready to see who Aubrey got?
Two.
Two. All right,
So excited.
let's go open them.
Yes, let's go.
It's a pretty nice night. You can just open it out
Kind
here.
of cold though.
It is
It's
getting kind of
weird.
cold. That's because it's been so rainy. Okay, so this is the gold
I feel like I've had this one before.
Rainbocorns.
Pretty sure I've had this one.
You think so? Well, let's see. Only
I've
one
had
way
it
to
before.
find out. There's 20 to collect, right? 12 to collect.
Oh, I was about to say 20.
There's
wow.
12 to collect.
Okay, I'm super excited. I love Rainbocorn!
Aubrey does like Rainbocorns. You guys, they're really, really fun.
what you need, if you like this kind of stuff, which I totally do, you know me, totally go check out Zuru. Oh, you're supposed to open the zipper.
Oh.
That's why I'm like, how can I get this out? I'm not able to get this out. All right.
So this is a pretty good surprise for your first day of school.
Yeah, I love it.
I know. Thank you, Zuru.
Yes, thank you.
Oh my goodness, I'm getting mosquitoes, guys.
Yeah,
mosquitoes!
I already have mosquitoes all over me. But, you know, I play outside and that's what happens. Okay, I'll pick that up later.
I can see it floating. Ah! Why are
It's
there
all over.
mosquitoes so much? It's probably the fallen tree.
Yeah. All right.
So we'll show you guys, whenever we get the tree all cleaned up, we'll show you guys a video. Hopefully we'll show them.
Yeah, but that was weird for a second.
Oh, I can see what it is, kind of. Do you know
Yeah,
what
me
it is?
too. It looks
It's
like
a
a rainbow.
rainbow.
I think I got the horse one.
What if you got the twins?
Wait, no, I'm pretty sure I don't have this one.
Okay, let's see.
I knew it!
Oh!
It's not the.
Oh, it's a rainbow, so maybe
Yeah,
it's
it's
the
not the-
twins.
It's not the same.
Well, hurry,
Oh,
open it!
The twin little. I like
Yes.
this. I don't think it's that one because it's different colors.
Oh,
Let's
that's
see.
so beautiful.
1, 2, 3. Crack the egg! Oh, I have the same one as Avery!
Oh!
Me and Avery are twins!
Oh, I love it!
Wait, is this? I love it!
Aubrey's cousin Avery, when they did the last video, this is what she got. So you guys
Yeah!
are twinsies now.
Twinsies
Oh,
with you, Avery!
that's so cute.
right.
I love that one.
Let's open it. It's a little.
Oh, the little friend. That's adorable.
Where's my other egg spot? So this is Dazzle, and Avery actually got Sparkle. So we're
See?
like opposite twins.
Oh,
It's cool.
so cute.
And also I got Boo Boo Unicorn. Super cool. So let's open
the next one.
I'll be sleeping with these tonight.
You're gonna pretty soon. Your whole bed is gonna be covered
Yeah,
with
I have-
Rainbocorns.
With these two, I have 4. It's like amazing. And they're so soft and squishy and amazing. I love them. All right, let's open this up. Just like so. Ooh, zipper. I love zipper packaging. Just saying, guys. If you watch my channel for a while, you know. Because I always say in every video with the zipper, I love zipper packaging. Because it's just the best. I cannot believe this is so pretty. It's like a pearlescent
I
blue,
know, I love that one.
white.
I think that one's gonna be the twins. What do you guys
I
think?
really hope that would be so cool.
I think it is.
I keep every single one of these
the eggs.
eggs.
Yeah, they're pretty cool.
Yeah, I love them. Oh, it has mystery! Mystery question marks and hearts.
Does that mean it's the Boo?
No,
The
it
Boo
always.
twins?
it
Is that
always
what it's
has
called?
that.
The Boo Boo twins?
I'm pretty sure. It always has that. 3, 2, 1. Comment down below, guys. Who do you think it is? 3, 2, 1. I was about to open it without doing this. Oh, it's a donut. I see it. I see it. I see it's a donut.
Cute. Adorable.
Oh, it has a bite out of it.
Uh-oh. I love donuts.
Did you eat my donut? Let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, that one's my favorite. That is my favorite.
It's so cute.
That is
I'm
adorable.
like dying. This is amazing.
That is so cute.
Oh!
It kind of looks like Willow.
It does. It looks like kind of like a monster. It's so cute.
It looks like Aubrey's dog Willow.
Yeah, let's see what her name is, and then we'll open. Oh, I got Scout. So excited! Okay, let's open.
So each Rainbocorn's egg comes with a small one inside.
It has a
too.
sparkly horn.
Oh, cute. Here, hold it up so we can see.
I'm totally gonna snuggle with this one.
That one is
It's
so
This is
snuggable.
so soft. Well, I'm gonna snuggle with all of them. So, yeah. Ooh, there's Scruff. It's a blue one of those.
Cute. Oh, it's a blue, like, furry one?
Yeah, it's so cute,
Cute.
like a little twin. So I'm pretty sure this is a rabbit, but I got a Boo Boo monkey.
Oh, cute.
Blue one, super cute. I cannot wait to snuggle with it tonight.
Sorry, I fell.
So, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to give a like, comment below, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.